Hello friends, welcome to our channel Kids Moral Story. So today we are going to tell you the story of animals use straw, and today we are starting with Monty and his friends. So we are starting with animals use straw. Some animals were discussing the problem of drinking water in the forest. The lion asked them, "Why are you worried so much about water? There is enough water in the lake near the hill. But we cannot drink water from that lake," said the rabbit. "Why not?" asked the lion. The bear said, "It is very dangerous because a crocodile lives under that lake. In the last few days, 8 animals have disappeared from the forest." The owl said that he saw the crocodile killing them. "If we do not get water, we will die of thirst," said the crane. Said the lion. "This is a serious problem." All the animals started thinking of a solution. Monty the monkey climbed up a tree. Suddenly he saw a bamboo grove and cried out happily. In town, people use a small pipe called a straw to drink water from bottles and glasses, said Monty excitedly. "How can a straw useful to us?" asked the lion. "Look at those bamboos. We can use them as straws to drink water from the lake," said Monty. "That is right. Then we need not to go near to the lake to drink water," said the rabbit, who was very happy. "Then the crocodile will not able to eat or even touch us," said the cat excitedly. The elephant said, "I will carry bamboo to the lake." "Hurrah!" cried all animals. The elephant uprooted a long bamboo and carried to the lake. All the animals followed him. A crocodile was very happy when he saw animals coming towards the lake. He thought, "Today I will have a good meal." He hid himself in the water. The crocodile waited for some time, but no one came near the lake. He lifted his head out of the water to see what was happening. He was surprised to see the elephant putting one end of the bamboo into water. "What is he doing?" said the crocodile wondered. He was even more surprised when he saw the lion drinking water with the help of the bamboo. Then one by one all animals drank the water with the bamboo. As they did not come near the lake, the crocodile could not catch them. After drinking water, the animals went away saying, "Goodbye, Mr. Crocodile. We will meet again when we are thirsty." After that day, the crocodile remained hungry that day and every day. So friends, write in comments who is the king of the jungle. Write in comments. And friends, write in comments. Name the animal who looks very cute and who says meow and who loves milk. Write in comments. So, what is the meaning of meal? The meaning of meal is an occasion when people sit down to eat food, especially breakfast, lunch and dinner. What is the meaning of straw? The meaning of straw is a thin tube of plastic or paper that you suck drink. For example, the human was drinking his cold drink using straw.
And the example of meal is when I was eating meal, my mom said, first wash your hands. So here is the word meal when I have used when I was eating my meal. Okay. So friends, subscribe to our channel,
Hit the notification bell
and press the like button.
Bye.